In a forgotten valley, whispers spoke of a river that danced with the moon. It carved its path, shaping the land with a mysterious grace. Villagers claimed the river had a mind of its own, shifting floodplains overnight. One night, a curious traveler camped by its banks, hoping to uncover its secrets. As the moonlight shimmered on the water, the river's flow reversed, revealing ancient stones etched with cryptic symbols. The traveler realized the river was a guardian, protecting a hidden treasure beneath the floodplains. The next morning, the river had returned to its usual course, leaving the traveler in awe.